Have you ever wondered how some of the smartest creators on YouTube are building massive passive income streams without ever stepping in front of a camera or even speaking a single word? Let me show you a prime example. Take a look at this channel right here. They have uploaded fewer than 50 shorts in total. That's it. But if you look at their numbers, they are pulling in millions of views and generating thousands of dollars in estimated revenue every single month. And the craziest part, they don't use a camera, they don't show their face, and they definitely don't own any expensive gold hunting gear. They have tapped into an absolute global gold mine, the ASMR treasure hunting niche. This category is driven purely by highly satisfying visuals and addictive sound effects. Because there is no language barrier at all, the YouTube algorithm pushes this content worldwide, giving them a massive high RPM audience. So in today's exclusive masterclass, I'm going to teach you exactly how to engineer these viral hyper-realistic shorts using premium professional-grade AI tools. Before we execute, here is the exact 4-phase blueprint we are using today to build this viral ASMR short. Phase 1, consistent character generation. Phase 2, scene image generation. Phase 3, image to video conversion. Phase 4, final editing and sound design. And listen closely. Every single master prompt I use in these phases is available for you inside my private WhatsApp community. The link is in the description, so you can just join, copy my exact formulas, and start generating immediately. The blueprint is set. Let's execute phase 1, consistent character generation. If you want this channel to become a highly profitable brand, you need a main character that looks exactly the same in every single video. First, we navigate to Gemini. On your screen, you can see my proprietary master prompt. Notice how I structure this. I am directly commanding the AI to act as an expert prompt engineer. I am not leaving anything to chance. We are locking in a direct front-facing full-body shot of a rugged gold hunter in a dense jungle. I specifically instructed it to detail his exact facial features, heavy-duty clothing, tactical footwear, and the metal detector, all under cinematic moody lighting. We hit submit, let the AI process the data, and boom, look at this output. Gemini didn't just give us a basic sentence. The AI created a perfectly detailed picture for us. Now we have the perfect main prompt for our character. We take this plan and go to our production workspace called Flow. From there, we choose the image module and pick the Nano Banana Pro option. Just paste the prompt we got from Gemini into the box and press enter. Wait a few seconds for it to load and the result is perfect. We now have a consistent character. You can see his rough clothes, heavy boots, and the lighting is exactly what we asked for. By making sure it is a full body picture, we stop the AI from making mistakes with his body shape later on. Phase 1 is completely done, and we have the star of our video. Go ahead and download this image to your computer. Now we need to build the cinematic world around him. So we are starting phase 2 and phase 3 at the same time. Pay close attention because this step is what separates people who make zero money from experts who build huge channels. I call this my special master prompt. While most people just type basic sentences into the AI and get bad results, we are giving it strict rules to beat the YouTube algorithm. We are forcing Gemini to act as an expert video planner, and it has to follow our exact order. But the real secret that makes this work is this. We force the AI to end every single prompt with the phrase, "Only ASMR sound effects, no music, no character dialogue." This is so important because people's attention is easily hooked by satisfying, clear sounds. By removing messy AI voices and background music, we trigger a satisfying feeling in the viewer's brain. We are making a smooth 9-scene video, starting from searching in the jungle all the way to weighing the glowing golf. You do not need to memorize this complicated plan. I want to make things easy for you. If you want to copy my exact prompt for your own work, just comment the word link below. My automatic system will instantly send you an invite to my official WhatsApp group. It is completely free and open, so you can join right now and get the prompt. Now watch how it works. We put in the master command and press enter. The AI thinks for a moment, and the result is perfectly precise. It didn't just give us a messy script, it gave us a flawless scene-by-scene plan. It separated the instructions, giving us specific image prompts to make our pictures and specific video prompts to control exactly how everything moves. When you look at the screen, you will see technical words like reference image or video extend. Your brain might think this looks too hard or scary, but stop right there. Don't let that stop you. This type of video makes so much money exactly because it looks hard to normal people. They give up, which leaves all the money for us. I am not going to let you figure it out alone. I will break down all 9 scenes step by step, I will show you how to make every clip, keep the character looking the same, and use those video extensions. By the end, you will know exactly how to make a professional YouTube video today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to join our community. The written plan is done, so it is time to make our first clip. Let's do scene 1. We go back into our Flow workspace and copy your scene 1 image prompt from Gemini and paste it in. Before we hit generate, we must make sure our character looks exactly the same. Click the plus icon, open your gallery, and upload the character image we just made in phase 1. Set your screen size to 9:16 and press enter. After a few seconds, you will see a perfect first scene. Do not download this image yet. Click the menu with the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt. This is a great trick that saves you from having to download and upload things over and over. Now we make it move. Change your settings from the image module to the video module. Copy the scene 1 video prompt from Gemini, paste it, and hit generate. The movement looks like a real movie. Notice there is no background music, just the clear, satisfying sound of sweeping, exactly like we asked. Download this video clip. Scene 1 is done. Let's move quickly to scene 2, where the metal detector beeps. Copy the scene 2 image prompt, switch your settings back to image, and paste it. Here is a top secret trick to stop your scenes from looking weird. Use your previous image as the reference. This forces the AI to keep the exact same jungle background. Make the image, then quickly switch to the video module, paste the video prompt, and run it. The close-up shot is amazing, the green light flashes, and the word found is super clear. Scene 2 is finished. For scene 3, the digging part, we do the exact same thing. Paste the prompt, use the character searching as your reference, make the picture, and then make the video. Here is a tip for creators. You can make all your pictures first and turn them into videos later, or you can do it one scene at a time. I highly suggest doing it one scene at a time because it gives you more control over the story. Follow this exact same pattern for scene 4. When we get to scene 5, washing the stone, pay very close attention. The master prompt says we don't need a reference image, but we are going to ignore that. Give the AI the picture of the muddy stone from scene 4 to use as a reference, and make the image. Now look at our video prompt. We didn't ask for water in the image prompt. Why? Because if we show a muddy stone first, and then let the video maker add high-pressure water washing it away, it looks incredibly professional and satisfying. Hit generate. Look at how it reveals the gold. The mud washes off, the water sounds are great, and the gold shines. Let me stop for a second to give you a smart psychological trick. If you want people to keep watching and love your channel, put a story in these short videos. End the video by showing your character using the gold to help someone, or change the background from a jungle to a snowy mountain. Mixing an emotional story with satisfying ASMR sounds is the best way to win the algorithm. Let's finish the video. For scene 6, make a picture of an empty melting pot, then run the video prompt to show the gold dropping into it. For scene 7, I will show you an amazing tool inside Flow called Extend. We do not need a new image prompt for this. Just click straight on the video clip we just made in scene 6, choose the Extend option. Paste the prompt for scene 7 and hit run. Watch how perfectly the AI makes the video longer, bringing in a hot blowtorch to melt the gold into a glowing liquid. It looks flawless. You will use this exact same extend trick for scene 8 and scene 9 to show the gold molding, cooling, and finally being weighed. If this process is blowing your mind and you are enjoying this lesson, make sure to subscribe right now. Leave a comment and tell me what AI topic you want me to explain next. Phases 2 and 3 are completely done. We have downloaded every single video clip. Now it is time to put the pieces together. Let's go to our final editing app, CapCut. This is where we create the final magic. First, bring every single AI clip we just made into your app. Now, drag all your clips onto the editing line in the exact order of our story, starting from the jungle search all the way to weighing the gold. Now look closely at the editing timeline. This is where our master prompt really shows how smart it is. Look at the soundtrack. We do not need to waste hours looking for background music, and we definitely do not need to add fake ASMR sounds ourselves. Why? Because our smart prompt already put those satisfying there. When your whole video is lined up perfectly, add smooth transitions between the cuts. Our editing work is complete. Go ahead and hit export, let the app save the video, and boom. Look at this, our complete, realistic, and highly profitable ASMR short video is totally ready to take over YouTube. If you learned a lot from this class and you are ready to treat YouTube like a real business, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with another creator, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let's keep building, and I will see you in the next class.